This is a 1953 Studebaker Commander, two-door hardtop. Notice the fog lamps there on the bumper. Interesting. Split grille. Has a V8, 233 cubic inches. Nice wire wheels. And I like the two-tone combination here of red and white. And there you see the Commander logo there at the split at the greenhouse. And the interior looks like it's been redone and looks very factory. Notice all the gauges and the switches, and it has automatic transmission. Very nice interior. And the rear window, of course, curves all the way around. Nice taillights. Of course, this is a Raymond, done under the supervision of Raymond Loewy. And I think for 1953 it was ahead of its time in terms of streamlining. Notice the armrest in the back seat. Paint job is really first class here. Really looks nice. And notice the ventilation flap there on the front fenders. Very nice car.